Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel, The Island Styles TV. And if you are new here, I create style, beauty, and lifestyle videos. And in today's video, it's all about my H&M haul, where I'll try on and show you just a little bit how I would style the pieces that I purchased. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. Alright, so let's get right into this video. So I'm going to show you the first set of pieces that I got. I thought they were super inexpensive. The quality is really nice, very soft on your skin. And for the price, you just can't beat it with a stick. So these are the first set of items that I got. They're the H&M tees. They're like $4.99 each. And guys, you can style up any t-shirt anyhow. Pair them with blazers, with jeans, with shorts, with skirts. I mean, there's like a plethora of ways you can style t-shirts. I won't be trying on all of them today, maybe one or two. But I'm just going to show you the ones that I got. So the first one is this cute polka dot one, which I actually wore on my birthday at work. I paired it with a very bright magenta blazer, which I actually got from H&M last year, and a polka dot pajama pants also from H&M. Anyways, I got it in a black. I got it in this very cute marigold color, which I also wore at work already with some wide leg pants. That and a plain white tee, of course, because you can't go wrong with those. And this is cream and navy blue stripes, all $4.99 like I mentioned before, and I got them in a size medium. Alright, so we're gonna go right into the next item, which I am actually already wearing. Is this cute, I don't know, I'm gonna say house on the prairie type of style shirt. I think it's super cute. I see a lot of trends with these coming out in tops and in dresses, which I think is super cute. I was looking for a dress in this type of style and material, but was not successful. They're already sold out. So, but this is the top. It's in white, and I'll show you how I would style it. I got this in a size medium or in a size 10, I'm not sure. Alright guys, so this is the outfit. I decided to pair it with my Gucci Marmont belt in tan, and this actually toiletry bag from H&M. Also included in this haul, but I'm gonna wear it as a clutch. So this is actually how I would wear it, and I paired it with my Zara vinyl heels, which is super cute. I just think the whole outfit is cute, very easy, very casual. All right, so the next two pieces that I'm actually gonna wear together are these two. Is this polka dot top and the white light pants that I told you I wore with the t-shirt. So I'm gonna try these on and let you guys see how they look, and you tell me if you like it or if you would wear it with something different. Alright guys, so this is the top on. I think this is super cute. I love it. I like how it fits. I got it in a size medium. You can wear it off your shoulders like how I'm wearing it now, or you could wear it on your shoulders, but I think it looks better off the shoulders. So, alright, so this is the bottom half. I also decided to throw in a little cute pop of color. So I decided to wear my Forever 21 strappy heels, which are super cute. The pants come with pockets, so I have somewhere to put my hands. That's always a win. And this is how the pants fit. It's very flowy. I think this is a really cute outfit for like brunch, you know, however you decide. But this is super cute. Alright, so if you didn't know, heard it here first. Slip dresses and slip skirts are in, guys, and this look is actually inspired by that series Love Is. Have you guys watched that? I used to love that series. I don't know what happened to it. It only came on for like one season, and it just never came back. Do you guys know what happened? Let me know in the comments. But this is the dress. also a size medium. It's actually midi length, which is perfect for me. It has a slit to the side and I chose to wear it with sneakers. I think it's like a super cute casual look. So in the series, her boyfriend made her wore like a slip dress, like a nightgown with a t-shirt into work, and everyone was staring because she wasn't wearing a bra and all that stuff. But would you wear like something like this into work? Would you? Like, are you that bold? I don't think I would wear, but if you dare me, I might. So let me know in the comments. So the next item that I'm about to try on and just style it just a little bit is this cute little dress. It's like a halter rib dress, and I think it's really cute. I love the color green. It's one of my favorite colors, so I'm gonna try it on and let you guys see how it looks. Alright guys, so that is the end of my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments which one of the items were your favorite, if you would purchase, and just let me know if you like the video so I can continue making these type of videos for you. Thanks so much again for watching my video to the end. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next upload, which is every Monday. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.